One of the things I always struggled with was a performance-based love. I was not very loving. I didn't believe in mercy and was unsure of how to practice forgiveness or what forgiveness and mercy even meant. It is not that I did not want to forgive, but I didn't know how, and not knowing how or what came with it made me not want to. My actions depicted that. I thought forgiveness meant that I had to let the same thing keep happening and just be fine with it, but that is not what forgiveness is. It is simple, yet more complex. Forgiveness is letting go, and mercy is letting things continue again, even though there was hurt. Forgiveness does not mean that I'm silent and I keep allowing this person to hurt me in this way, but it does mean that I should talk to them with love and respect and explain how I disliked how they treated me. If they make the effort to change, then we can be reconciled and walk in the same path again. And while that is happening, I should put forth the same effort to not do something that I know upsets them. We both have to do that, constantly and forever. No friendship is perfect, but a relationship that is more like Jesus amongst everyone is what I'm trying to have in my life. I do not have the greatest relationship with God, but this past year and a quarter, He has just been giving me change, constantly giving me change, and I've been leaning on and learning to hear His voice and see what He's been doing in my life. I stopped playing games and sold all my games because I played actively in unforgiveness. In my friend group, I worked really hard to be a great player because I did not want to be dismissed or put down while I knew that I had a chance too. It happened when I was little, and I carried it with me my entire life because I didn't know what to do with it. I would try my best not to let anyone win in a 1v1. Video games would pop up in my mind for 4, maybe 8 hours a day on average. I would replay events over and over again in my head to be in peak condition for the next time our friends would play. That's why I sold everything, every console, every game that had value. One of those games was Kirby Air Ride, and you're telling me a sequel just got announced. God has a sense of humor.